Alright, today I'm going to show you how to deal with a very unlevel floor. This floor that I'm dealing with has 2 layers of plywood, and so I'm going to get this level. I've got a pretty big gap here. It's hard to see on the camera, but in some spots I've got as much as about 3/4 to an inch gap there. And I've got a string pulled across here to help show me where the low spots are. So now I'm going to take some thin set mortar that you would use for laying tile, and I'm just going to put that over the low spots and fill it up taller. Some other options should include dealing with the floor joist underneath and adding some extra framing to raise things up. But this is the option that felt best for this case in this scenario and could be a good option for your situation as well. And I'm just going to use my levels and my strings and get in all of these low spots filled in best that I can and create a flat surface. You want to make sure that it's mixed up really well and try to get the right consistency where it's not too wet and not too dry. Alright, so with my level on it here, you can see it is looking a lot better. Got a pretty flat area to work with right here. Now going this way, we still got some dips and valleys to deal with. And it's okay to let it dry and then come back to it and continue to work the level. Alright, so now I got my second layer of OSB put down on top of that, and then I also came back with some more thin set again. Now that it's dry, I can also scrape off some of the high bumps and little high spots. And now I've got some luxury vinyl plank flooring that's going to get installed back over top of it. Little tricky dealing with taking the flooring out, but in this spot right here I was able to get one pulled out from the middle and get it back in, sliding it in, tapping this way. So I hope this video helps and maybe gives you some ideas of ways to solve your problems with your floor. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video and the channel to see other cool videos about how to do other cool and helpful things, get some inspiration and ideas, and even some entertainment. So that's how I did it for this job. That's how you could do it for yours, and be blessed.